So hello guys, you are seeing Toy Warrior and I'm Manoj. So guys, today I have two stationery things to unbox. So first I have a pen. So guys, now this pen. So guys, now the pen you can see in the screen is the Rorito Fiber Point. So guys, this pen comes in a single color. Only in a single color you get this one pen, and I bought it for rupees 10 rupees in nearby stationery. So you can also tell it as a stick pen. And guys, when I was using it, means when I was writing my notes from this pen, it's really amazing. Actually, you can see most of the fountain pen reviews in my channel. Like I reviewed Flair Inky CEO, Smoothie, Flair Inky Cars. Most of the pens are from Flair, even Flair Inky Gold. But this 10 rupee pen of Rorito can beat all of them. It just writes same like them, and even price is good. So you can see the pen. Now this is the tip of the pen. It's like a stick, so therefore it also called as a stick pen. And this is a cap with the metal tip. You also get the fake pens like this, which do not have the chrome finish. It get a plastic one, but the branding of the pen will be exact. Means the name will be changed. And the another thing is my favorite, and I wanna buy it from a long time, and that was the Classmate Invento. So well, right now I'm recording from the front camera, so you can see it backwards. Okay, I will do it while editing. So you can see here is the Iron Man's picture, Avengers Endgame's branding, Invento and Classmate branding, and here is written free goodies in the box. So well guys, see, this is a Mark 50 armor, and in Avengers Endgame Mark 85 armor was used, however. So now let's open this. And the characters you also get with it is Hulk, Captain America, Captain Marvel, Thor, and Ant-Man. So just unbox it. So you get it with the box. You get it with a paper box or a cardboard box. Well, the box is being dented a bit. I think you can see it in the camera, but no scratches. Here Iron Man's picture, Invento branding. So right now I'm opening it. So it contains a timetable. You can open and write your timetable. However, the timetables are changing because online classes. I'm keeping it. Then you get the goodies. Now the Iron Man one is magnetic, and the Thor, Ant-Man, and the Hulk here is just normal gum stickers. Then you get a classmate sharpener. You get a classmate sharpener like this, and a basic eraser packed with plastic, a pencil for compass or drawing any diagram, a compass, no, it's a divider, whatever. However, I'm not using it still. It get two covers so that it won't harm our hands. And you get a compass, which I use most because I love designing cars and I want to become a designer. And you get a protractor for geometry, and you even get an isosceles triangle, and you also get a right angle triangle, and it contains a classmate scale, which is not like the normal precision scale. It is good. And and to hold this all, you get this plastic holder. This plastic holder is in the red color. I think it's looking pink. So guys, well, I like this one because in the Camlin, which I was using the last time, you get the paper one or plastic one, not such hard plastic. You can tear it with your hand itself. So this is good. So this is the overall box. It's just like this. Well, the build quality is poor itself. It got dented, but if you just do like this, it can be recovered. Well, the video is becoming long, so as I end this video here. If you like the video, give a like button and subscribe the button, which will come here later. So guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.